This video we will see how to make a detailing of the chute. I hope so this video will help you a lot of people. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Welcome to CAD 36 and we see how to make a detailing of this chute. Go to the file, make drawing from part and select the A3 sheet. It's a standard sheet, so select the A3 sheet and we will grab it from there. We'll take the front view and drop it here and make a section. So we'll take the horizontal section now. Mainly we need to take the flange details, so we take it under the section. We take under section, so we take another section, side view. Go to the another section and make the side view and check the hidden lines to be visible. Okay, then drop down and select the hidden lines to visible. Okay, make sure all the views are to be hidden lines to be visible. That will give the more detailing. And change the text size as required in your drawing. Double click and change the text size, bold, underline. Okay, and it's not moving, it is aligned, so select that and make alignment, break the alignment, and you can shift it somewhere where you require it. I will move it to the corner, and mainly we need to make a dimension here, so select this view, zoom it, and we'll go for the dimension, annotation, dimension, and we'll make the dimension from inside of the flange is 65, but we are getting 65.58. We will correct that one, and inside to be, go to the system options and document property and check the dimension. We no need any precision, so we'll remove the precision, none, and okay. So actually we need 65 there, we will correct that one, and inside also we need to get 400 exactly, but what we getting is 399. We will adjust that one, no problem, and we'll make some dimension here. We will complete this dimension and then we will adjust in the part drawing. We will make correct from the part drawing. We will make some dimension here. This 2 is fixed 235 and 339, so we get the same dimension. This 400 we need to be inside flange, 400 to be, we need to correct. Okay, we mark our remaining dimensions. And the overall chute height to be 814, so we get the same 814. Okay, and we'll add the center line also. Go to the center line and select out, so we'll get the center line exactly. We'll make some dimension for the section BB also. This 312 is okay, this is correct dimension, and I will skip that dimension. The flange also I will skip the dimension. And this to be 65 we need, but we are getting 66. We will correct that one, no problem. Inside to be 400, we will correct in the part drawing. This also to be we need 65. Okay. Then go to the part drawing and check which area we need to correct. This flange we need to correct. So go to the edit sketch. We are not given the dimension there, so we'll give the dimension 65. Okay. Then exit the sketch, save the part, then go to the detailing. It is corrected here. Okay. It is automatically updated here. Okay, this is what we need, the exact dimension. And remaining dimensions you can add it. I'm just skipping the dimension. Then we add the 3D view for the general understanding and change that to the shaded view, shaded edges. And we can make a small note there, 3D view. It is up to you, you can make a note. Okay. Then we need a detailing for each plate, so we can drag that part and click OK here and select this part and remove the alignment, break alignment. Then select this part and go to the selected bodies. So it will go to the your part drawing. So select this part and click OK. So you will get the exactly the same, that plate only, same plate. Okay. So we'll make a dimension here. And you can mark the dimension as required. So the fabricator can easily cut the plate as per this dimension. And here I forgot to add the angle. If you want to add the angle, you can add the angle also. Again go to the view palette and select the, we need another side plate now. So select the right view and drag it somewhere here. Okay, no, click OK here. Select this view and go to the selected body and select this plate and click OK. So we get the separate only this plate. So we'll make same dimension here. Like that we will make all the remaining also. And now we take the left part and make a selected body. Select this and go to the remove the alignment. If it is aligned with some portion, you can remove the alignment. Okay, so we can easily make the drawing sheet there easily. Can edit and make the dimension here. If you are not subscribed, subscribe our channel, like the video and keep supporting. And we need this tapper plate. Okay, so go to the selected body and select the plate, and the second orientation select the side face, so we'll get the exact true length of the plate. Okay, again make the dimension for this. Go to the relative view. Okay, and select the 3D model and selected bodies and select this plate, backside plate, and the first orientation select the same plate, and the right side select the side plate. the same plate side view. Okay, so we'll get the exact true length of the plate, so they can easily cut the plate and mark it in the workshop. See, same we got 657, 537, the same length we got it. See, 657 and 537, same length, true length we got it. Then finally you can arrange the plates as per your drawing, how the gaps can be adjusted. You can do it. We'll add the BOQ also in this drawing. I hope so. Next video we'll add the BOQ. Don't forget to like the channel, like the video, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.